So I think Gucci have absolutely hit gold with this delicious print. It is of course Gucci Bloom, and it is a Supreme mini chain, and it's just beautiful. I mean, look at that gorgeous fabric and gorgeous bloom print. So it is a chain, so you've got the chain strap, it's got this lovely flat leather piece so that it sits comfortably on your shoulder. I am a UK 8'10", I'm about 5'4". It comes with Gucci dust bag and also Gucci care docs and fabric swatch, which is quite nice. So it is, as I said, chain strap, leather shoulder piece. It's got leather trim and a zip top closure, and then inside it's got one flat pocket which has got the Gucci tag. Can I get that out to show you almost? Okay, and I'll lift it up and maybe you'll be able to see the Gucci code inside. Okay, condition wise it is excellent. Excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. There is absolutely no sign of wear anywhere on the bag at all. It is just in perfect showroom conditions and beautiful. How could you not love this? It's just beautiful. There is a link to this on our product page. If you go to the comments below, there'll be a link. You click it, it'll take you straight to the product page. When you're on the website, there'll be a little pop-up. Sign up to our newsletter because you get 10% off your first purchase, which is well worth doing. In the comments below, there's also a link so that you can follow us on Instagram. And if you follow us on Instagram, you'll get to see what's coming in so that you can contact me if you're interested before it even goes online. And of course, if you like our bag videos, please give us a thumbs up.